Good morning, students, and welcome to the geography class. Today we'll read chapter number 13, that is India, location and its neighboring countries. So in this chapter, we'll read about India, its location and about its neighboring countries. India is the seventh largest country in the world in terms of area, and according to the population wise, it ranks second in the world, that is after China. India covers about 32,87,263 kilometers square, which is about 2.4% of the total land of the earth. Now here you can see some of the countries and the areas are given. You have to learn from here the given chart. Now about the location and its extent. India is situated north of the equator and lies entirely in the northern hemisphere. It is centrally located in South Asia. Now its latitudinal extent. From south to north, India extends from 8 degrees 4 inches north to 37 degrees 6 inches north latitude. In the Tropic of Cancer, 23 degree 30 inches north passes through the country. It divides India into two equal halves, northern and southern halves. The Tropic of Cancer passes through the Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura and Mizoram. The north-south extent of India is about 3,214 kilometers. Now about its longitudinal extent. From west to east, India lies between 68 degrees 7 inches east and 97 degrees 25 inches east longitude, and the 82 degree 30 inches east longitude that passes through the middle of the country. It is taken as the standard meridian of India. It lies in just of the West Mizoram and near Allahabad, which is in UP. It passes through the Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh. The east-west extent of India is about 2,933 kilometers. Now about the main boundaries. Indian Peninsula is bounded by the Great Himalayas in the north. There is Indian Ocean in the south and the Bay of Bengal in the east and the Arabian Sea in the west. India is cradle to its mankind. It has a glorious past. Multiple cultures can be seen, languages, religions, secular governance, and largest democratic country it is known as, and a vast range of landform and the natural resources in India has a land frontier of 15,200 kilometers and a coastline of 7,516.6 kilometers. Now about its neighboring countries. Some of the countries that share its boundary with India. India shares its international boundary with 7 countries. It is bordered by the countries of Pakistan and Afghanistan for a short distance, and in the northwest, it shares its boundary with China in the north, Nepal just above the central region, and Bhutan in the northeast. Myanmar in the far eastern side and Bangladesh near eastern side. The island countries of Sri Lanka and Maldives are its oceanic neighbors situated in the southern region. Sri Lanka is separated from India by the Palk Strait and Gulf of Mannar. Now let's read about the Indian subcontinent. The countries that share its boundaries with India. India and its adjoining countries like Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan and Bangladesh are called subcontinent. All these countries make a distinguished, large and an unbroken geographical region which is cut off from the rest of Asia. Due to all these factors, it is called the Indian subcontinent. Now let's read about its coastline. India has a regular coastline on both the sides of southern peninsula. The total length of India coastline is 7,516.6 kilometer long. The southernmost point of Indian mainland is Kanyakumari. It stands at the meeting place of three seas, namely the Arabian Sea, the Indian Ocean, and Bay of Bengal. Earlier, the southernmost point of India was Indra Point in the Great Nicobar, but it submerged in the sea in the tsunami of 2004. Now, some of the islands of India. There are two main island groups. These are the Lakshadweep archipelago in the Arabian Sea. These are the series of the islands, and the Andaman and Nicobar group of islands in the Bay of Bengal. Political divisions of India. Especially the administrative purpose, India is divided into 28 states and 9 union territories. These states have been formed mainly on the basis of languages. Now that's all in this chapter. Thank you.